This is Ngobo Ten Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune United 0. My sister, how are you?
Ngobo one rat ne.
Ko rata thata.
Ene he kopana le Chiefs one rat ne. Ka di Chiefs tsela di Zimba tsena ne. Wa di hopola. Bona emapele.
Yeah.
Ngobo.
Mara why ka rwan tshaba so why you go kholeso? Shutella.
Ko ba dumele ke shootelle ne. Ko shootelle ne. Yeah, ko shootelletse. Ko shootelletse
bona. Ko fila game tonight.
Yo. Bona ke re ka o botsa hore ba tla ba planile. Ba re shalulile o teng. First half. Ba Ruberu o teng. Ba re Mokoena o teng. Bona emapele.
Ba re Morena o teng.
Ba re Morena o teng.
Ba kra ba steng.
Ba re Modaude.
Mara ba nyakile lo tshosa cause
ba re thusa ko kae wa ko botse first half ne re ba lapisa wa bona goalkeeper wa i robala ana hana hore wa itse ke ngwe metse maybe di penalty na ka sloki
nanya ka di penalty
ola a ke robatsa a ke hobatsa ne rena re Sundowns spirit bona hashtag are Tatseng stadium
ka di one
ka di one pele a ke ra re nyoko bolela ka ela ka hore rena ke re wa itse re tlala tsela Sundowns wa itse re ke tapa style tsotlhe di thoma ka mo ka boyelo a ke re
message ya how cause ba re le kena mahala message ya how to Masandawana on Tuesday
that is why ke re hashtag let's support our players let's fill up the stadium it's free guys let's fill everybody wants we are proud of our club everybody wants they need us hashtag they need us what is this everybody supporting this guy what's the king relapise ke makhosi ba re 57 everybody wants we are not and re dlala Africa who's next go Africa ke mang
Esperance.
Kiba Rabanyaka revenge bona emabili Sekhukhune ne vela re ba welcome ile ba bangata ba tlile ko Sundowns o tsisa ke khopela di supportera tsa Sundowns Mamelodi Soshanguve re ka se tlohe Joburg re ka tsa stadium le na le ditse ko dintlong a tsile ba ditse ko dintlong
exactly
go tsisa e re utusa botlhoko this thing hashtag let's support our players. They need me, they need you, they need us. Kabuyel, shoot.